loves, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video will be a clean and decorate of my guest washroom, and as you can see, it is really spacious and I just love that. So as you come in, there's the sink. I've stored some seasonal towels that I'll decorate seasonally here in the guest washroom. I've actually removed the mirror that was up here because it was a bit too small, and I kind of like my mirror that I had in the apartment. I've placed one here, and then the other one is in the landing of the upstairs area, which I shared in one of my last videos. The light fixture also is really cute, and I like it for now. It goes well with my black and white because the framing metal of it is black. There's a bit of cobweb up there, so I will need to climb up there and clean it, and probably clean off the shades are white. I don't know how to remove them, but we'll see, and just give it a good cleaning as well. Clean the mirror, clean the sink. There is a hand towel bar for me to put some hand towels there. I'm gonna be shopping my home, guys, and just using all of the decor from the apartment washroom. So I'm bringing in all of the black and white, change things around just a little bit. I do intend to add a nice big faux plant here, I should say, not faux fur. Yeah, I'm going to shop my home and probably bring in the canvas art from the living room in here instead, because I do plan on getting some new like wall decor for the living room eventually. This is the shelving unit I got from Gist, same place the mirror is from, that's over the sink at the moment. Right now the window has no window treatments, which is not a big deal. My neighbor's house on this side doesn't have any windows, so no one can see in anyway, so it's fine for now. This needs dusting. The toilet's pretty clean, but we're still gonna go over it and give it a cleaning. We're going to sweep and mop, and I'll give you guys another view from this side. Really spacious washroom. My son can wheel his wheelchair into here. And we're just gonna wipe the doors down and stuff. There's a little bit of cobweb here and there. But yeah, I really love all of this space. I'm not going to add a mat because it's not necessarily to do that. There's no bathtub or shower in here, so you don't necessarily need a mat, but for decorative reason it probably would look nice with a mat, but I don't have one at the moment. I did see a nice black and white animal print one that goes with my towels, but I wasn't able to pick it up. Anyways, guys, let us start cleaning and decorating.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine, and you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let myself just go and say you'll be mine. You are the only one without emotions made of steel. What was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean.
Wave, my inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows with a feel cold. Get my spirit to the pin stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. When I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been feeling go. I've been in a mode when my people's dilated. Take the beat and then annihilate it to the siren.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid. Just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby. And let the music begin. I know you feel it within.
So guys, this is how the washroom turned out. I really love how everything looks. Really pretty. As you can see over here, I've shopped my home and I've used all of the decor from the apartment. The little shelf here, I've added some greenery, some glam little tea light, I guess little tea light vases or something, candle holders I should say. These are all from Amazon. The towels, the animal print towels came from HomeSense or Winners, and then these ones came from the same company I bought the shelving unit from, Jisk. This little glam clock came from Amazon, and I love how this little area turned out. And then here I've brought in my animal print hand towel, a bigger towel. I couldn't fit two bigger towels here, so I've just used one. And I've just added a curtain back tie that I got from Amazon, just to add a little bit of glam here. And then at the bottom, you see I have a toilet paper rack. This vase used to be at the entryway in my apartment, and I actually brought it in here because I love how the greenery looks with the black and white. And it just looks really nice here in the washroom. And then over here on my toilet tank, I've added a mirror tray, a diffuser that smells amazing. As you open the door and you enter into the washroom, the smell greets you and it smells really cute. Some greenery that I got from Amazon last year, and I brought this canvas painting from the living room in here just to add a little decor to this area because the wall is so big over here and it looked a bit bland and plain. and I thought it would just brighten up the area a lot more and go well with all of the black and white decor. And all of the little lights in the windows brings in a little bit of that glam, and it kind of blends well with all of the little, you know, shininess that's in the clock, as well as these tea light candle holders. And then over here, I've added another animal print towel, a small hand towel, and I've added a second curtain tie back. And like I was saying, all of the little lights in the canvas kind of goes really nicely with these little tie backs, with all the little glitter and glam that it has inside. My trash can came from Amazon. Soap dispenser came from Walmart, and then this was a DIY that I did back at the apartment. And I've also added a little bit of greenery with some flowers just to soften up the overall look in the area, because I have so much greenery going on. I just wanted to add some flowers to soften everything up, and I really love how it turned out, guys. I do apologize if you hear any noise. They're in the basement playing PlayStation, but I really love how the washroom turns out. I just love the modern with a little bit of glam. I just love this look, and I'm glad that I was able to shop my home and just bring in a few other pieces from somewhere else in the home, put it all together, and it turned out so beautiful. My name is Anne. My channel's name is Glam Designs by Anne, and if you love decorating, cleaning, decluttering, organizing, hauls and DIYs, a little bit of cooking, I share that all here on my channel. So if you love those type of content, please subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll always get alerts each and every time I upload a video. I love you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give it a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend or family. It really helps to grow the channel. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think.
I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you
And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day.
go away.